Most time I heard men asking, what can I do to always have a good skin? But I'll tell you, you ever more don't need to have a good skin because you already have a good skin. Your question now should always be, what can I do to improve my skin? In today's video, I'm going to show you 10 tips you can always use to improve your skin and have a good skin. How are you doing, gentlemen? Welcome to Men's Wellness channel. My name is Jesse Lemon. In today's video, I'm going to show you 10 good tips you can use to always improve your skin. But first of all, do me a favor by clicking on the subscribe button below to subscribe to this channel and also to receive my next video on good soap men need to use to always have a good skin. Honestly, the tips I'm going to show you in today's video are the tips I do use to improve my skin, and I do see results every day. So you can use the same tips to improve your skin too. Number one tips to improve your skin is to use the right body cream. Are you white, ebony, red, or chocolate? Your body cream is determined by your skin color. If you are using the wrong body cream for the wrong color, you are going to have a side effect and it's going to make your skin not look good. If you're airborne and you are using the white skin color cream, you can end up having eczema, stretch mark, dark spot, acne, and even sunburn. Even the worst part, you can end up having two skin color, which is what you don't like. To avoid the side effects, you need to make sure that you are using the right body cream for your skin. You can be seeing many flashy sales out there telling you to try the product. There's nothing bad in trying, but immediately you start realizing irritation on your skin, kindly squeeze that body cream. It is not meant for your skin. Having a white skin color doesn't also mean that you need to make any choice of body cream that you see. You must be very, very careful of whatever body cream you are using. If not, you're going to see side effects in your body. As a white skin, your body cream must be tender and soft so that you can get the best out of your skin. However, to get the best out of your skin, you need to try some body cream first. So in trying those body cream, that's when you're going to know the one that fits your skin perfectly. So immediately you get that perfect body cream for your skin, try to stick with it. Immediately start realizing a body cream is giving you side effects, kindly stop it and change it for a better one. Move on to the next one until you get your perfect body cream. The note here is choosing the right body cream. So the number one tips to improve your skin is to use the right body cream. The tip 2 you can use to improve your skin is to exfoliate your skin, at least twice a week. Most time when men heard about exfoliate, they feel like, hey, am I going to peel my skin to get a new one? Am I going to go for a surgery? Well, it's not about that. Exfoliate is nothing about that at all. Exfoliating is the process of removing bad skin cells from your skin to get a new one. One of the reasons why you're not having a good skin is because you have too much dead skin cells on you. Sometimes when you have a pimple, you squeeze it and through this process you have a dead skin cell at that area. Like this one, now a dead cell is there already. So I need to exfoliate my skin so that I can get better skin on my face again. Also, when you're using a wrong body cream for your skin, you can through this process also have a bad skin on you. And through accumulations of dead skin cells, you have a bad skin. But the only process to rid of these dead skin cells on you is through exfoliating. You don't need to panic. I'm going to show you the right way to exfoliate your skin without getting harm. We have two processes of exfoliating. We have do it yourself and over the counter. For me, I love do it yourself option, but if you prefer the over the counter, there's nothing bad. You can go for it and ask a face-to-face dermatologist to choose the best one that is good for your skin. Now, this is how you can prepare your homemade scrub to exfoliate. Get a half cup of coconut oil, a half cup of brown sugar, 3 tablespoons of ground oatmeal, and a 1/4 cup of honey. Measure these ingredients well in a bowl. Stir them well until you get a paste. Start applying it on your face in circular motion. But make sure that before you apply it on your face, you wash your face with lukewarm water first. Then apply your scrub on your face in circular motion till you apply it all over your face. The third way to improve your skin is to always moisturize your skin. Moisturizing is very important because it reduces skin problems like dryness, oiliness, or anything that can even prone acne. It even fights against wrinkles. To state the fact, moisturizing helps the skin from being dull to becoming glow. If you are looking for a good skin for yourself, you need to moisturize your skin every day. It is not a thing for women alone, it is a thing for everybody who desires to have a good skin. You can go over the counter to check for the best moisturizer that fits your skin. The first way to improve your skin is to always take your shower before going to bed. I know many men do have a busy day at work and they are always stressed when getting home. But you should be tempted not to take your bath before you sleep, because this is the little thing that can add up to not getting a good skin. Make sure you always have your bath at night so that you can stay moist and have a good skin. The number 5 way to improve your skin is to use sunscreen when going out. The number 1 thing that damages your skin is the sun. And to have a healthy skin, you need to protect your skin from damages. The first and easiest way to do this is to always use sunscreen when going out. Sunscreen prevents the sun to penetrate to the skin to kill some skin cells. This sun is the same thing that makes almost every man to grow old quickly. So for the betterment of your skin, use sunscreen when going out. You can get sunscreen in the pharmacy, store, or even on Amazon. The next thing to improve your skin is to always shave your beards when due. I don't have beards as you can see, but I just see many men with an unshaved beards who look very horrible. Your beauty doesn't rely on someone else's beauty, your beauty relies on you. You can see some men who look gorgeous and they start commenting, oh, I wish I can be like him. But I'm telling you, you can be more beautiful than him. Your heart word speaks your beauty. Shave your beard and you see more improvement on your skin. The next thing to improve your skin is to reduce your stress. You are a man. Yeah, I know you are a man. You are trying to survive to put food on the table for your family. But I want you to know this. Stress adds to hold look. Stress will make you to age fast. You need to start getting enough rest if you want improvement on your skin. If you're engaging in too much stress, you're not going to look good and that's going to affect your beauty. The next thing to do to improve your skin is to fix poor sleep. Just like reducing your stress, poor sleep can make you to have wrinkles and also to age fast. If you don't fix your poor sleep, you are going to age fast in no time. Even when you are in 20, you're going to look like a 40-year-old man, which is something that you don't even want at all. Let me tell you a secret. The top reason why you're having a bad skin is poor sleep. Poor sleep is the cause of dark circle under eyes, the cause of wrinkles, and poor sleep is going to make you to have a bad skin entirely. So for you to have a good skin, one of the things you need to do is to fix your poor sleep. At least sleep 8 hours a day. The beautiful part is that whenever you sleep, your skin repair itself, and this makes your skin to nourish and also to remove dead cells from your skin without you needing to exfoliate your skin or doing any kind of extra work to have your dead skin cells removed. So always have a good skin so that you can have improvement on your skin. The next thing to improve your skin is to eat healthy diet. If you watch most of my videos, you see me repeating these things a lot of time, and you see other YouTubers repeating this also because it's one of the most important things that you shouldn't neglect doing. Because if you don't eat healthy food, no matter what you do, it's gonna have effects on you. It's gonna show on you that something is missing out in one of the things that you need to do. Healthy food protects the skin and also nourish the skin and give the skin the best nutrients it needs. The best I can always recommend to eat are probiotic foods and prebiotic foods. Probiotic foods are foods that contains live bacteria for therapy purpose. This food contains live bacteria that makes your skin to glow and also nourish your skin every time you eat them. If you don't eat this food, there's assurance that you are going to have effect on your skin. So if you don't want effect on your skin, it's good to use probiotic foods for your skin. Another probiotic foods that you can eat are yogurt and miso and others that I'm going to share with you also in my next video. The other beneficial diet that I need to eat is prebiotic foods. Prebiotic foods are the foods that are hard to digest in your system but promote the healthy bacteria in your intestine. These bacteria are the good bacteria that are in your intestine ordinarily, and they need to grow so that they can also feed your skin to nourish well as well. So if you like prebiotic foods that are going to nourish the good bacteria in your intestine, you're not going to have a good skin because what's going to nourish your skin is not fed well. These are the foods that I can recommend you to eat: beans, legumes, vegetable fruits, and other fruits that are fiber. It's always good for you to eat prebiotic foods and probiotic food if you want to have a healthy skin. Most importantly, if you want to study your skincare and not seeing improvement on your skin, it's made due to the fact that you are not doing the right thing. That's why I made this video, because of you. So you can just go over there and watch that video so that you can know what you can do step by step to have a good skin. Meet you over there.